Bonsoir YouTube, il est 2 h du mat. C'est la suite de ce jeu qui est trop bien. Je vous le dis tout de suite, on est samedi matin, 2 h du mat. C'est sûr et certain que je le finis avant lundi, c'est sûr. Est-ce que je le finirai ce soir? Ça c'est une autre histoire. Et donc du coup on en était où? Eh bien on fait le début, voilà, on découvre un petit peu les liens et tout. On avait pas mal rempli les personnages, je pense que je suis plutôt bon là-dessus. Il manque juste Adi Beaumont. On soupçonne potentiellement d'être une utilisatrice de fauteuil roulant, mais en même temps c'est pas forcément clair. Sinon ben, elle a un destin un peu funeste, je vais pas mentir, ou sinon c'est une vieille personne, ce qui m'étonnerait fortement. On avait pas mal écrit de notes, mais ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas eu un indice. Ici. Bon. Intrigant. Et donc là on était censé comprendre un truc. J'avais juste déjà entendu ce nom, donc ça c'est la suite de cette discussion là. On parlait du nom qui. J'ai l'impression qu'on a tête tout à l'heure. De nos jours, trop de gens préfèrent être polis. Ah oui, donc voilà, elle a dit que en gros, sa montre à gousset avait disparu. Ne vous inquiétez pas, c'est quelque chose, c'est ce qui s'est passé. Quelqu'un a volé donc dans ma chambre, donc voilà. Je sais plus c'était qui, qu'est-ce qui a été volé. Une montre de poche qui m'appartenait, je ne l'avais même pas depuis longtemps. Et il y avait un nom dessus. Elle pense que c'est John qui a volé. Mais non, on le sait. J'ai examiné moi-même le corps, il n'y a aucune raison de penser que sa mort soit suspecte, c'est vrai. Donc il y a eu un meurtre dans la scène numéro 1, c'est la chronologie des choses. Sauf que... c'est pas qui l'a tué. Puis je fais faire attention de demander de faire attention à ma montre. Je pense que nous ferions mieux tous les deux de rester à l'écart de ces ennuis. Madame dehors, je pense savoir à qui m'adresser. Annie, veux-tu bien venir me parler à un moment dans la chambre de Vic? Donc ça, on l'avait fait. Moi, tu sais que ce n'est pas sa faute. Vic, tout va bien, je vais aller parler à Damien. Ce n'est pas comme si j'avais fait quelque chose. Et là, elle dit, soyez gentils l'un envers l'autre. Allez vérifier que tu vois bien les tâches. Donc ça, on avait vu. Maintenant, je ne serai pas longue. Si j'ai besoin de toi, j'irai jouer du piano dans le séjour. Mais elle n'a pas eu besoin. Quoique. Parce que là, on sait qu'elle était... donc là, c'était la discussion. Là, on sait qu'elle est allée voir Martha. Et on sait que quelqu'un était dans le séjour. Pas besoin d'en discuter longuement. Dis-moi juste où tu as mis la montre de poche. Bon, attendez, on va partir de la fin. Mais non. Je ne sais pas de quoi tu parles, c'est tout ce que tu voulais me demander, je ne reproche rien. Pourquoi me reprocherais-tu quelque chose? Je n'ai rien fait, je ne suis pas stupide, Annie, s'il te plaît, ne fais pas toute une histoire. Explique-moi pourquoi tu t'es mise en tête que c'est moi qui vole les choses. Je ne suis même pas allé près de la chambre d'Hélène. Vous voyez, je vous ai également vu, Tony et toi, chuchoter pendant le dîner. Ça, c'est vrai. Le jour, je n'ai rien à voir avec ça, je comprends. Donne-moi juste un indice. L'indice, c'est Tony l'a probablement caché quelque part. Il se trouve qu'il l'a caché chez sa sœur. Pas la sœur de Damian, la sœur de Annie. Non, chez la sœur de Tony. Mais du coup, en 10, il est allé dans la chambre de Eddie, là où il y a Micheline, et c'est là où il a peut-être découvert le cadavre. Parce qu'à mon avis, il y a un putain de cadavre là-bas. Et parce qu'il sait que c'est ça, c'est son... Paraît logique. Quoi? Il va y aller tout seul? Oh ouais, et elle y est plus. Il savait.
Oh, I'm sorry to disturb you. Madam? Madam, are you awake? I'd like to ask you a
Elle est
few
morte.
questions. Madam,
Elle est morte.
I'm looking for a pocket watch. If you could just tell me whether you've seen it or not, then I'll leave you to get back to your sleep. Madam? Oh, God. She's still warm.
Eh oui. Eve est morte. Donc à mon avis en 9. Non. Ah, il est confronté. On sait pas trop Eve, mais Eve semblerait-il qu'elle est morte comme lui. C'est dans l'ordre. Je crois que c'est dans l'ordre. 11, 10. C'est un compte à rebours et c'est lui le dernier. Ce serait elle la prochaine. En tout cas, 11 dans le séjour. Il y aurait elle, il y aurait lui, il y aurait lui. Non, pas dans le bureau. Puisqu'elle joue du piano. Et elle l'avait dit, elle aurait besoin d'aide.
Vic, is everything all right?
I'm fine, sweetheart. Come here.
Are you sure?
I was just talking to someone in here about... well, it doesn't matter. I just needed to see you.
Would you look at that?
Excuse me, Mr. Hobbs. Vic and I were just...
Oh, I'm sorry, I won't disturb you. I'd just like to have a quick look at this piano.
Did you find the pocket watch, sweetheart?
I found it, but it's hardly
C'est trop
important
bizarre là
right
cette
now.
scène.
There was someone else. I couldn't tell at first. I thought they were just asleep.
Wait. Someone else has died.
I don't know who it was. A young woman.
Je l'ai jamais
It
vu.
wasn't nice to see.
Was she there with us over dinner? I'm trying to work out who it could be.
You may be interested to know that, I've discovered another body as well. Down in the kitchen. I don't know what to make of it.
Something's not right. This doesn't feel like an accident.
But I don't understand why anyone would do this.
It could be poison. Maybe it wasn't even intentional. Is that possible?
I don't know. I suppose so. I didn't see any signs of injuries or struggle.
Oh gosh, that's really horrible. I don't think it can be that.
I actually just spoke with a boy named Tony and I found a gun in his bedside drawer. I know there haven't been any gunshots, but still.
Does Eddie know anything about this, do you think?
He has nothing to do with this, sweetheart. It wouldn't make any sense. I don't understand what motive anyone would have. Who even were these people?
Et c'est marrant parce qu'ils sont
Well,
oubliés ces
Eddie's been
gens.
acting very suspiciously all evening, if you ask me. And then there's Oswald, of course.
Who is he again?
He used to live here. Before Martha and Eddie. I was never allowed in Oswald's room when I was younger. But honestly, I don't know what he's doing back here tonight.
If I had to pick someone mad enough, it would be him. No doubt about it.
Ouais, mais c'est trop
Vic.
facile.
We should leave. I don't want to see how this ends.
I know, darling. We'll hand back the pocket watch and then we'll leave. Mum's house is only a few miles away. We'll get Annie, and then we'll go there.
Oh, I wouldn't recommend that. Quail Lane will be practically flooded by now, and everywhere else will be a right bog.
Looks like we're staying the night then.
Et une voiture noire. Hein.
Don't worry, sweetheart. We'll stick together, and we'll both be fine. Neither of us are involved in this anyway. Nor is Annie, for that matter.
Wait, shh.
I
shh,
hope.
shh. Do you hear that?
Hear what?
The raised voices. Two of the others are having an argument in the billiard room.
It sounds like Helen.
There's someone else there too. It's a male voice. I can't make it out properly.
What did she say? Stay away from my children. Do you think she's...
Oh dear.
Wait, Vic.
Oh, sweetheart, come on! Everyone else will have heard it too!
Waouh. Il y a tellement d'indices. Eve est dead. Ça, c'est quasi sûr. Bizarre d'ailleurs qu'il y ait d'autres... Ah. Ah, mais attends, on peut rajouter des gens. Après, on sait pas. C'est lui, Rupert. Le renard. Alors ça, attendez, parce que là, il y a beaucoup de choses à faire. Je cherche quelqu'un, non, voilà. Là, il y a la clé de la chapelle, ce serait aimable. Lui, il y aller direct, je pense. Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Oui, c'est bon. Je pense que c'était le majordome. Et lui, il se souvient du majordome alors qu'il est mort. J'aimerais que vous pouvez m'expliquer pourquoi vous êtes vous-même ici. J'ai été invité, monsieur. Écoutez, les cieux sont vivants. Ah putain, on avait un indice ici. Chambre d'enfant. Oui, bah oui. Donc là, ici, en 7, Oswald était tout seul. À mon avis, on me dit pas qu'il est allé là. Ça serait bien cocasse, ça, dis donc. Non. Ah non, mais oui, c'est la chambre d'Eddie, potentiellement. Pardon, je suis bête. Non. Ah non, mais de toute façon, on sait où elle était, elle. En 7. Non. C'est bon, il était dans sa chambre. À mon avis, il visitait les autres chambres, non? Chambre d'Oswald, du coup. Attendez, je fais peut-être une erreur. Mais là, on sait qu'il était... Là, c'est là où il meurt. Il est retourné dans la chambre de Tony. Chambre de Martha, il y était. Non, c'était pas ça, c'est sûr. Chambre d'Eddie. Ah bah non, il est retourné au grenier. sais pas c'était où ça. Là il le dit hein. Ça, elle était un peu collant. Une note à propos. La chambre de Tony. À mon avis, lui, en 10, il est allé tellement dans la chapelle directe. Vu qu'il avait la clé. Même pas. De toute façon, il y est à un moment one not. Donc au pire, 111. Autrefois, la bibliothèque, même si elle semble avoir été transformée à la hâte en une sorte de chambre. Le sol était un peu collant. Encore un lieu que j'ai pas découvert, ça. Il y a un lieu qui me manque. EN? Non, bah EN c'est l'entrée. La famille. Peut-être une chambre d'invité. À mon avis, c'est l'endroit que j'ai pas vu, mais qui s'appelle bibliothèque, mais c'est pas bibliothèque quoi. Et là? Ok, il vivait ici il y a longtemps, je vais lui demander. Ah ça c'était le truc, donc Annie en 10 et aller voir Oswald. Soit dans sa chambre. Potentiellement. Soit dans la salle à manger parce qu'il était en train de bouffer le boug. Oui. On aura des indices ici, je le sens. Je crois que ça va être
Hello
foutu.
again. You're Oswald, aren't you?
Tell me, why is it that everyone seems to know my name today without me introducing myself? I should hope there aren't things being said behind my back.
No, we met before, up in the attic.
Allez.
You said...
I remember what I said. Why have you disturbed my meal?
Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind, it's not important.
My dear, I apologize. Please, take a seat. I don't mean to seem so rude. So then, what brings you to Galley House on this rainy evening?
I'm here with my sister. I don't really know anyone else here, to be honest. It's just somewhere to stay.
Oh, it's a lot more than that, my dear. This house is full of history.
Oh, I'm sure. How long ago did you used to live here?
Heavens. Seems an eternity now. I remember when this part of the house was still being built. How exciting it seemed to have a future for my family. And my parents took the bedroom above us, of course.
You mean Martha's room?
I apologize. I am easily upset by the thought of how this house has fallen into other hands. I should have hoped to have my own family here with me tonight. But alas.
Oh. I wanted to let you know. Have you heard of Rupert Galley?
I think I know where this is going. I've already been informed. It's a very intriguing business.
Did you know him? I haven't heard that much, to be honest, just that he died.
Yes, I knew him. He used to live in this house a very long time ago. He's long dead, however. I don't know why he would turn up again today.
Oh, God. Really?
I am as surprised as you are. Not only that, but when they went back to inspect the body again, it had disappeared.
That's terrifying. You don't think someone's trying to scare us, do you? Maybe someone wants something given back that Rupert used to have?
Perhaps. But Rupert's not the only one. They found the body of the old butler, Thornton, in the kitchen.
Bah,
He was...
ah, mais c'est bizarre. Donc du coup, c'est pas le... En fait, ils retrouvent des cadavres qui étaient déjà existants. Le majordome, il est allé où, le vrai, celui qu'on connaît?
Another one! I had no idea.
Ah, this house has its dark secrets. The current residents have no idea what's in store for them.
Oh, that sounds like Vic. She said she'd only play to get our attention.
I'm sure she's fine, my dear. If she wanted us to come, she'd be playing a lot louder.
I suppose you're right. He'll come rushing in to save her anyway.
If you're interested, I'd be happy to talk more about the history of this house.
Well, I hope you don't mind me asking, but I heard something about a girl that used to sleep in the attic. Could you tell me anything about her? Just in case, you know? She could be connected.
Why don't you follow me up to my bedroom? I can show you some things from many years ago that you might find interesting.
Oh.
Très bizarre comme
sure.
proposition.
Why not?
Wonderful. Then follow me.
C'est un faux méchant, Oswald. C'est un faux méchant. Bon, là, ici, il y a plein de trucs à voir. Et du coup, ben, allons voir ce qu'il va lui montrer dans sa chambre. J'ai très peur. Une scène dans chaque pièce de la maison, sauf la chapelle. Ah oui, de la maison. C'est un
Here we
succès.
are.
Oh. You haven't redecorated in a while, have you?
It's completely untouched since I left it all those years ago. This room is rich with memories. Please, sit down.
You said you wanted to show me something.
Yes, my dear, I did. I've kept all my old drawings in here. I used to draw a lot when I was young.
Is this your family?
Yes,
Ouais, c'est bon. c'est
that
bien.
one's me, of course. And those are my parents. I stopped contacting them when I left home. They died a long time ago.
Is that her then?
That's my sister, Eleanor. She was always very kind to me. She used to play with me in the garden when I was little, even when my parents were too busy to pay me any attention.
Eleanor.
We created our own little world. It was very hard losing
Ah, il y a un
her.
truc qui me fait peur, je vais vous
What
expliquer après.
happened?
She became very unwell. She had to stay in her room all day, up in the attic. My parents were worried about her for a long time, and then one day we went up there and, well,
That's awful.
it was always understood that I was never to speak about it with my parents. I don't think they ever loved me as
Il a dit
much as
quoi
they...
exactement? Il est tombé gravement malade et devait rester dans sa chambre toute la journée là-haut. Au grenier. Mes parents se sont montrés inquiets.
had loved
J'ai
her.
envie de tenter un truc après.
So when I was old enough, I left.
And who's the other one?
Oh, I'm not so sure. He must have been one of Eleanor's friends before she got ill.
Did you hear that?
I certainly did.
I hope she's all right. We should go and check.
Le 12, il y a des indices de zinzin. J'ai peur que ici, en 13, il y ait la fameuse Eleanor dont il vient de parler là. C'est peut-être elle là. Je sais pas c'est qui. Laissez-moi tenter un truc. Dans le grenier. Eleanor. Non. C'est très bizarre qu'il propose le 0-0. C'est très bizarre. Il y a un moult indice. Donc c'est dans la salle de billard. Déjà, je le mets. Hein. En 12, salle de billard. Il y aura lui. Il y aura elle aussi. Tony Dower, je sais pas s'il sera là. Il y a elle, c'est sûr. Il y a Hélène. Les deux, là, je sais pas. Ça, c'est sûr que non. Tout le monde a également dû l'entendre. Bah, je pars du principe que tout le monde est là. Alors, je vais tenter, hein, mais ça m'étonnerait aussi. Voilà. Bon, y a quelqu'un qui manque dans cette histoire. Probablement lui, parce qu'on sait pas pourquoi. Et aussi, pour moi, Hélène, elle s'est embrouillée avec Edmund. Elle 12 d'ailleurs. Oui. Martha serait là? Tony serait là? Je sais pas. Concentre. Oh putain, ça m'intrigue de zinzin. Mais à mon avis, c'est parce qu'il y a un truc que j'ai pas. La bibliothèque, j'ai déjà tenté un lieu biblio. Bah, de toute façon, là, le BI, voilà. LB, pour library. LI pour livre. La salle de livre. Salle de lecture. Bizarre. En refaisons dans l'ordre. Je dis juste à quelqu'un ici de... J'ai besoin de te voir. Mais elle pourra discuter avec quelqu'un? Si elle est gênée... En 10... Elle était dans le séjour, elle parlait avec Eddie. Si elle est gênée de lui en parler... C'était pas ça. Ok, non. Alors peut-être avec Tony les bonnes embrouilles. Non. J'ai l'impression que je teste au pif alors qu'en vrai il y a un raisonnement. Il y a quelqu'un ici de... Martha ou Hélène? De toute façon, c'est soit l'un soit l'autre. C'est Hélène.
Are you quite all right, darling? You look unwell.
You're Helen, aren't you? Martha said she'd be,
Souffrante, Victoria?
Excuse me.
Sit down, darling. There's no point ignoring it.
Thank you. I'm
Ah
fine,
mais oui, j'aurais dû m'en
really.
douter vu qu'elle parlait beaucoup de la montre de
I'm
poche.
sorry to hear about your pocket watch.
It will turn up. How are you feeling?
Oh, it's nothing. I must have eaten
Ah,
something.
malade.
It's fine, darling. I've been.
Ah mais non, mais elle est enceinte.
This is my first time.
I remember
Oui,
getting
elle est
very
enceinte.
nervous the first time, and yet the second time was so much worse.
Oh? I think I've only met one of yours.
Of course, you'll have seen Tony around. No, my first time, it didn't lead to anything. Well, it was a blessing that it worked out with Tony, at least. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you.
No. No, it's all right. It's good to talk to someone about it.
Darling, does he know?
I'm going to tell him soon. Once we're back home, I'll tell him.
Hold on to him, won't you? I found out I was expecting again just after the war broke out. I had to tell my husband about it during the brief time he had off from the front. It didn't feel real, like we were pretending. I always believed that things would continue after the war. We acted
Il
like
est
they
jamais
would,
revenu. Les mères célibataires de
but
2
he
enfants.
didn't come back. Tony's never known his father.
I'm so sorry. I don't know how you did it. If I didn't have Damien...
No, it's not worth thinking about. I shouldn't have put that in your head.
No. No, thank you, really. It was nice talking to you. Thanks for the advice.
I'm sorry, darling. I don't think I caught your name.
Victoria. Victoria Maseko.
Et pourquoi je l'ai
Well,
appelée Galée
darling,
d'ailleurs? C'est la fille de... Oui, c'est la fille de Martha. Mais elle se nomme Maseko, mais elle n'est pas mariée, elle n'est pas fiancée. Si, elle est fiancée peut-être. Oui, elle est fiancée.
I hope everything goes well for you. I'll see you
Elle
in a
avait un
little
truc
while.
qui... Elle a confié à sa sœur. On n'a pas plus d'indices. Bon voilà, elle avait parlé donc avec Micheline. Au danger, j'avoue juste qu'au dernier... Quand tu montres la photo, le montre de poche, mon amour. Elle a trouvé avec le cadeau, je n'étais pas sûr, je pensais que jusqu'à dormir, que le cadeau était mort, je sais pas qui c'était, une jeune femme. Il l'a jamais rencontré lui, Eve. Si! Et si, il l'a rencontré! Bon, on pensait que je ne vois pas, ça n'en soit pas un accident. Je comprends pas pourquoi quelque chose. Je sais pas, parce que oui, je n'ai vu aucune signe de blessure. Elle parlait avec un garçon qui s'appelle Teddy, j'ai trouvé une arme dans le tiroir. Donc ça oui, on dit s'il y était. C'est bien qu'on n'est pas obligé, qu'on soit pas obligé de scroll. Pensez-vous qu'il est dit au courant de ça? Il a rien à voir avec ça n'aurait aucun sens. Je comprends pas quel motif quelqu'un pourrait avoir. Agir de manière suspecte, puis Oswald bien sûr. Qui est-il déjà? Il vivait ici avec Martha Eddy. Je n'avais jamais eu le droit d'entrer dans la chambre d'Oswald quand j'étais petite. Mais honnêtement, je ne comprends pas ce qu'il fait ici ce soir. Nous allons partir, je veux pas voir comment ça finit, je sais. Nous allons rendre la montre de poche et nous partirons ensuite. Et je vous le déconseille, le chemin de Quain. Pratiquement inondé. C'est vrai qu'on va passer la nuit ici. T'inquiète pas. De toute façon, en cas de nous, on est mêlés à ça. Vous entendez ça? 2 personnes se dépluent dans la salle de billard. Oui, dans la salle de billard, il y a 2 personnes. Parce que Martha... Martha Eddy? Les 2 se disputeraient dans la salle de billard? Donc Eve, finalement, n'est pas dead. Mais alors qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait depuis tout ce temps? Ça aurait été mon rêve. Je vais mettre lui. Non. Très bizarre. Je dirais Hélène. Mais de toute façon, c'était Hélène. Ah mais non! Je suis bête, c'est en ce moment même. Donc c'est en 11. Donc c'est Hélène et Edmund. Il est en train de se faire une game tout seul, là?
Eddie? Where is everyone?
They should be around somewhere. If you go and wait in the living room, then I'm sure they'll turn up. I'll be there later. I need to sort something out.
Qu'est-ce qui se
I've
passe?
hardly seen anyone all day. You know, if there's something going on, then I ought to know about it. Otherwise, it seems like you're disappearing off for hours at a time and leaving me and my son to entertain ourselves.
I do apologize, Mrs. Dower. I just need a little time, and then things will be back to normal. I would think you can be patient for another hour or so on your own, can't you?
I don't appreciate the flippancy, young man. Tell me what's going on.
Very well. 3 dead bodies have appeared around the house, and we suspect that one of our guests is trying to scare us. But we're dealing with it.
Attends, il sait déjà le
Everything's under
3e
control.
cadavre à ce moment-là? Il le sait déjà?
Well, I don't see why you let that stranger in here in the first place. It's your own fault as far as I can see.
Elle est
Go
vraiment
and tell him to
dubitative.
find somewhere else to stay, Eddie.
Please don't try and tell me what to do. Like I said, I'm sorting it out.
It certainly doesn't look like you're doing much of anything. Did you find the ring, or did you just give up?
The ring. Yes, I found it. You can have it back if you like. I don't want it.
Hein?
I gave you this ring for a reason, Eddie. Where is my daughter?
Your daughter?
I should hope you haven't forgotten about her in all this commotion. I think I made it very clear earlier what I expected of you. If something's happened to her, Edmund, then there'll be consequences.
I found the ring like you asked. If you expected me to do anything else, then you should have told me.
Now, don't be like
Attends,
that
quoi,
with me,
quoi,
young
quoi,
man.
quoi?
Where is she?
Well, I haven't seen anyone else arrive, and I've kept track of everyone.
C'est vraiment bizarre ça. Donc en gros, ça veut dire que les morts, et c'est vrai que depuis tout à l'heure c'est un peu ça, que personne s'inquiète de l'absence du majordome originel. Rupert, tout le monde est là en mode c'est qui ce boug. Et là, Eve semble être morte. Et lui, qui est accessoirement son fiancé, et on l'a vu, hein, il lui a offert la bague et tout. D'ailleurs, il sait qu'elle est morte. Ça veut dire qu'en 10, il est allé voir dans la chambre. Probablement. Et ben, il sait pas en fait.
Who's come through
Et elle,
the
elle se
door.
rappelle d'elle.
Unless...
I thought she was asleep in your room. You ought to go there now and reconcile with her. And take the ring,
Oh,
Eddie.
God. I'm so sorry.
Eddie?
She...
Non.
Your daughter's dead, Mrs. Dower.
What do you mean? That can't be right.
En fait, il faisait semblant pour éviter de lui dire.
Why wouldn't you have told me earlier?
I didn't know. You should have told me you had a daughter, and then I might have
Et
done
quoi?
something about it.
You're
tu
making
le savais?
things up, Eddie. Go and find her and make sure she's all right.
I already
Don't
told
play
you.
games with me, Edmund Galley. You're responsible for my daughter's safety. And frankly, this disgusting behavior is scaring me. And it's completely unbecoming of a host.
I don't know who your daughter is. Why do you think I have anything to do with this?
Excuse me.
If you cared about your daughter, then you would have mentioned her earlier. You can't expect me to look out for everyone just because I'm the man of the house.
You're a monster, Eddie. How dare you talk about my family like that? Stay away from my children.
What are you talking about? You don't even have a daughter, do you? Are you part of
Stay
this
away
too?
from me. I'll scream. I will. And my son has a gun.
I don't know why I trusted you. All along I've been trying to be polite and courteous, and for what? You're as much a stranger to me as anyone. Great! Now everyone else will be rushing in to save you. That suits me just fine.
They'll all be here soon. I'll tell them what you did.
Là, il est parti. Ouais, il est parti. C'est pour ça que j'ai pas validé le scénario de tout à l'heure. Oui, il est parti d'ailleurs. Ça veut dire que lui, en 10, il est allé voir dans la chambre de Eve. Mais alors, c'est bizarre son attitude. Dans la chambre d'Eddie, du coup. Il était potentiellement allé par tard. pensais qu'en 10 il était... Donc c'est lui qui était en 9 avec Eve. L'a-t-il tué?
Ah, I thought I might find you here.
Close the door behind you. I've heard there are bad people walking around.
I brought you some hot cocoa.
Mais il sait très bien c'est
Thanks,
qui.
Eddie.
Do you mind if I sit on the bed next to you?
We are engaged, aren't we?
Oh, good. Look, I'm terribly sorry about earlier.
Me too. Don't be too annoyed at yourself. It's not your fault.
Oh, c'est quoi
Well,
cette dinguerie?
I'm sorry all the same. Anyway, aren't you going to drink some?
Mm. It tastes good. But I had some earlier. In fact,
Ah, c'est le
it
coco.
tastes exactly how Thornton always makes it for me.
Elle se
Are you
souvient de
sure you
Thornton.
didn't just take it from the pot on the stove that was already there?
Who's Thornton? Did you know the butler?
Of course I know him, Eddie. Stop fooling about.
It doesn't matter, I suppose. Do you know what I found earlier?
Oh, I heard about that.
No. That's not what I meant. I meant I found this ring. Don't you think it looks pretty?
Oh, I see. You're not going to ask me to marry you again, are you, Eddie? We've already got one wedding to get through.
Would you, darling?
Just give it back here.
Parce que c'est à ce
Stop
moment-là, il
fooling
y a le
about
meurtre
so much.
ou la mort.
What's gotten into you?
I think I've fallen in love.
Well, whoever it is, she's a lucky girl, Eddie.
You know I love you more than anything else in the whole entire world, Eve.
That's very sweet of you, Eddie. You're not so bad yourself.
I'd climb the highest mountain if I knew that when I climbed that mountain, I'd find you.
Eddie!
Coup de tonnerre.
Oh dear God. What the hell? Oh, that's mine.
Elle est morte au moment où elle était là. Elle est tombée dès qu'il y a eu le coup de tonnerre. Il y a eu un coup de tonnerre, quelqu'un tombe au sol en se débattant. En se débattant? Comment ça en se débattant? J'ai envie de vous dire que là en 11 il y retourne hein. C'est pas clair. C'est en 11 que j'ai mis. Non, c'est en 12. C'est en 12. Quand même pas ça. Mais en 12. Tac, tac, tac. Tony, je sais pas. On va le mettre quand même. Tony n'est pas là. Potentiellement Martha non plus alors. On sait pas où ils étaient les deux hein, d'ailleurs. Mais non mais je suis con. Ah mais je suis con. Je suis bête. Ouais. Alors là il va se passer des dingueries je sens. Je sentais que c'était Eve qui est morte.
He's killed Eve!
Who's Eve? Are you hurt?
Il y a un autre coup de tonnerre. Il y a un autre meurtre en 12. Eddie est-il possédé? Donc scène 12, littéralement. Autre meurtre. Et là, à mon avis, c'est Eddie qui clams.
Oh my goodness.
What's going on?
I don't know. We've only just found her.
Oh dear. Another one.
We heard someone in here a moment ago. Did anyone see where he went?
What? I didn't pass anyone.
What's happening? Why is everyone in here?
Oh, Annie, I'm glad you're all right.
So it's true. They're coming back.
Get that man away from me.
I have done nothing. Whatever evil has come into your house, I have no part in it.
Everyone, calm down. Can anyone tell me who she was?
Ah, lui, c'est
Is
le
she
policier de la
dead?
bande, lui.
It's the same as all the others. Someone's trying to scare us. I'm sure they must have been dead for a while.
I don't think so. The body's still warm.
Surely someone would have noticed if 4 people were walking around the house. I don't understand where they came
Wait,
from.
This is the 4th.
It could be some sort of disease.
Comment ça,
Maybe they all
4?
escaped from.
C'est bizarre qu'elle dise 4, N.
Some hospital nearby.
Tony, please take this seriously.
Isn't anyone going to point out that there are already 2 strangers in the room?
Yeah, thanks, Anne. At least John and I were invited.
Were you?
Oh, shut up,
Listen.
you two.
We're all going to go to bed and lock our doors. Do all the doors have locks?
Yes, darling. They lock from the inside.
Then we'll all go to bed and we'll see where we're at in the morning.
You called the police, didn't you, Martha?
Yes. I called them earlier.
Oh non,
They
non, elle les
said
a pas
they
appelés.
won't be able to get here until
Et
the
Martha
morning.
devient bizarre.
Good. Until then, lock your doors and don't let any strangers in. Can we all
Eddie est
agree
mort.
on that?
I'm not agreeing to anything.
Fine. Everyone else go straight to your rooms. We'll talk again tomorrow morning.
I'm very sorry about this evening, everyone. I'm sure we'll have sorted everything out by tomorrow, so there's no need to worry.
Et toi, ton fils
Good night,
est
and
accusé et
sleep
tu dis
well.
rien? Quelqu'un tombe au sol. La salle à manger? Alors j'ai envie de faire un pif de Zanzibar en disant que c'est la chambre de Tony qui s'est juste suicidé en fait. Oh putain. Oh le pif gagnant. Attendez, il y a un coup de tonnerre et c'est pas lui?
Damn it. Where is it? He must have taken it.
Il cherche le...
Is anyone thing for it?
Non. Il prend le revolver. Il s'est caché dans la chambre. Et alors le coup de tonnerre, personne est mort en fait? Étonnant ça. La suite directe. Ah, il le place, il l'a encore. caché. Oh non. Bad luck, bro. Non. Il a eu peur, le bug. Encore eu un coup de tonnerre. On l'a récupéré. Pas vraiment. On va aller voir Martha. On va faire dans l'ordre.
Look at this mess.
Elle ramasse toutes les merdes qu'Oswald a mis sur le sol.
I don't know why I even keep half of these things. I'd be a lot happier if I got rid of it all and started again.
La malédiction des galets, loup. Juste un coup de tonnerre. Et en fait, je pensais que les coups de tonnerre, ça signifiait forcément la mort. Bah, Eddie, y a personne. En théorie. Là, ici, il y a les deux. Et lui, il est au bureau, lui. Voilà. On va calculer tout ça. Et on va avoir des discussions intéressantes, là. Les deux, là. Ah mais Oswald, il est peut-être dans la chapelle.
What are you doing?
I just want
C'est
to
peut-être
check.
ça le...
I don't want one jumping out of the wardrobe in the middle of the night.
Come on, Vic. No one's hiding any bodies in here.
I know, sweetheart. And I've got
Ils sont
you
mignons les deux.
to protect me from any strangers, don't I?
Of course. But please don't run off like that again, Vic. I don't like being on my own with the others.
Sweetheart, I'm always here for you. We'll leave first thing tomorrow. We don't need to talk to anyone else.
Mr. Hobbs is a suspicious character, isn't he? We're in agreement about that.
I don't know. I find it hard not to believe him. He seems the sort of man who would struggle to tell a lie. But I know what you mean. What was he doing there? Listening to our conversation?
The whole day it's felt as though people are watching me, Vic. I can't bear this place much longer, I'll go mad.
I know the whole business with the bodies is upsetting, but
Tu trouves?
I don't think it's meant for us. And if it's any comfort, everyone else I've talked to says they like you. So I don't think we need to worry.
I still don't trust them. And why did you play the piano earlier? Did anything happen?
I just wanted to see you, sweetheart. Oh, come on, come to bed.
I don't like this house, Vic. I don't feel safe here.
We'll be all right. If you're really worried, we can just keep the door
La
locked
police
until
n'est
the
pas
police
prévenue, la
arrive.
police.
Maybe we should.
Good. And then we'll go visit
La
Mum
police n'a pas
down
été
in
prévenue,
Wintercott.
c'est ça qui me
First
fume
thing
en
in
fait
the
dans
morning.
cette histoire.
Wintercott. That's the name of your mum's house.
It's only a few miles away, and I promise you'll like it a lot more than this place. Sweetheart? What's that?
Là.
You remember, Vic? Mrs. Dower asked me to find it over dinner. Isn't it awful? I didn't realize it was her.
What are you talking about?
Why didn't anyone say anything? Her watch went missing. She asked too many questions, and now she's dead. And her son was there, too. He didn't even seem upset.
Bah ouais.
You mean the body? Earlier? Did you know her?
Of course I did, Vic. And the others should have recognized her, too. They must have known all the dead bodies. They're hiding something.
Merci.
Calm down, sweetheart, please.
No! Something's wrong. Something's very,
C'est
very
exactement ce
wrong.
que je me dis.
You wouldn't lie to me, would you?
Of course I wouldn't.
Then who were you talking to just before I found you in the living room? You said you were talking to someone.
I wasn't, sweetheart. I don't know what's got into you, but
Victoria elle ment, mais
you're
pour une autre
really
raison.
scaring me.
All right. I'm sorry, but everyone else in this house is lying through their teeth. We can't trust any of them.
It doesn't matter. No one can hurt us in here. Let's go to sleep, and you can explain it all to me in the morning.
Il va se passer une
All right.
couille entre eux, c'est
I
sûr et
love you,
certain.
Vic, but I can't wait to get out of here.
I love you too, sweetheart. Everything will be just fine.
La vagabonder. Rien.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Casse les couilles ça. Hein. Je m'éloigne parce que ça sent le screamer à la con ou que de ce genre. Et t'as vu le courant pour la deuxième fois. J'aime pas ça. Attends, il y avait un truc qu'on devait faire. Oui, ça veut dire que demain matin, il sera encore là. 15 VI 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. VI. C'est quoi co? Pourquoi il y a écrit co? PL. Et il me donne une scène importante. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Donc il n'y a pas Oswald. Il n'y a pas Damian. 1, 2, 4. Avant de faire les deux là, Oswald, mais je doute qu'ils y soient en fait. Il doit être dans la chapelle, ce salaud. Ok, il est bien dans sa chambre. Lui, il a des choses intéressantes à me dire, lui, je sens.
It's good to be home.
Ok. Ah oui, lui, il y a rien du tout, lui. À moins que peut-être à un moment il se lève. Rien d'autre. Ok. Hélène. Elle est où déjà? après, il faudra faire le grenier et le bureau. Pour nos derniers. Le 1 et le 2. Hélène n'est pas dans sa chambre, alors là. Elle est dans la chambre d'Eddie. Pour pleurer la mort de sa fille. Ça. Pas du tout. Alors, c'est bien bizarre. Où elle est, elle? En voilà une interrogation. De où elle est cette bougue? On va fermer la fenêtre à un moment. Je vois pas à quoi elle ressemble.
Oh, I left the bloody window.
Bah oui. Hélène, c'est bizarre qu'elle n'est pas dans sa chambre à ce moment-là. C'est très bizarre. J'ai 1h02 de live. Pas de live, mais de VOD.
At least the body's gone.
Très bizarre cette histoire quand même. Hein.
Oh, bloody devil! That's loud. Oh. Go back to sleep, John.
Il a eu son cauchemar, lui. Et donc... Alors ça, c'est un indice pour plus tard. Encore dans le séjour, c'est ça? Entrée. On va tous les faire, hein. On me dit pas qu'elle était dehors comme une victime. Salle de billard toujours. Si elle était dans la chapelle, je me la coupe. Je me la coupe fort même. Ça m'aurait étonné. La chapelle qu'on n'a toujours pas utilisée, c'est le seul endroit. Cuisine. Où était-elle? Salle à manger? Une petite portion en plus, elle? Chambre d'Eddie avec sa... Les fins de filles, là. Quand elle a été ramenée ici? Elle était où? Elle a ramené son cadavre? C'est une dinguerie, on sait absolument pas où elle est partie. On sait absolument pas où elle est partie. Is she dead? je le mets en 14. Parce que je pense qu'ils sont tous les deux dans... Ils sont pas dans le... 14, est-ce que ce serait pas Oswald qui part à la chapelle? Ah, je me suis trompé. Ça aurait été très bizarre que ça marche là, d'un coup. La chapelle, ça a l'air d'être le turnaround, le point final. Non mais je pense qu'il faut juste faire 15 vies de 4, 5, 7. Et là, on va apprendre une dinguerie. La chambre de Victoria. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Donc il n'y a pas Hélène, il n'y a pas Damian. Edmund non. Pas Oswald. Est-ce qu'on est en pleine nuit? Est-ce qu'on est au matin? On est le jour. Voilà, on va apprendre des dingueries en mode...
Are you alright?
Well, there's another one in here. Well, I woke up and it was... I don't
Darling,
understand.
You need to unlock the door or we
Il
can't
est mort,
help you.
Damian.
No, I know. I know.
I don't believe it.
Darling, are you all right?
I'm fine. I'm just...
How is that possible? Did you unlock the door in the night?
No, I swear, I just woke up and it was
You
there.
must not have checked everywhere.
I swear, I tried.
Steady now, darling. It's all right.
Looks muscular. It wouldn't have been easy to move a body like
I
this.
don't understand.
It's not your fault, darling.
Damian
What's
est
going
dead.
on? Vic!
Wait. How did he get in here?
Pocket watch here. Didn't you say you were missing one?
Yes. How the hell did that get there?
I saw it last night.
My gun. That's got to be my gun.
What?
I was just telling Annie up in the attic, but my gun, it disappeared overnight. It was the same thing. I'd locked my door.
Well, that's marvellous. Who's missing?
It must be Eddie
Annie est
and
là.
Oswald.
We should go and find them. Can you look after her alone?
Yes, go. Darling, why don't you come with me to the dining room? The two of us can have some
C'est incroyable, les
breakfast.
morts ont oublié leurs souvenirs. Elle était fiancée avec. Voilà, dinguerie de cette scène. Donc Damian est dead, qui était le meilleur gars. Hein. Tony Dower, les embrouilles, bah oui, bah il a rapporté une embrouille lui. Oh. Je sais pas où est parti Edmund et Oswald. Si ça se trouve, eux 4 ils sont quelque part, mais on sait pas où. Hein. Scène 14, c'est bizarre qu'il y ait rien. Je pense que là, il y a 4 trucs. Oswald, il était dans sa chambre normalement à ce moment-là. Peut-être pas tout seul. Alors, c'est bizarre. Alors là... Dans la salle à manger, nous pouvons prendre le petit-déj tous les deux. Faut parler. D'accord, il faut parler. Il faut parler dans la salle à manger. Je suis bien d'accord, il se passe trop des dingueries. Son mari est mort, hein, tout simplement. C'est comme si les cadavres disparaissaient.
Goodness me. Someone's left a mess.
Is that a bullet hole up there?
C'était ici.
What were they doing in here?
Darling, I'm sure it's fine. Would you like some toast?
Actually, I'm starving. I didn't eat anything last night. Oh, are you sure this food is safe?
Why wouldn't it be?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what to think.
Have something to eat. You've been through a lot.
Ils étaient là, les deux.
It's
Là.
awful. I still don't understand how it got there. Well, there must have been someone else in the room last night.
Whatever this is, I'm sure they don't mean us any harm. They want to give us a fright, that's all.
Ça, c'est
I
la phrase.
don't
Hein.
like it. It feels like someone's playing a game with us. You're sure there's no other way into that bedroom?
Don't think about it, dear. At least all of us are all right. I wouldn't know what to think if one of my guests was harmed.
I
Ils oublient
suppose so.
tous les cadavres, c'est une dinguerie.
I'm
Et
sure
c'était le
that
seul
for all the
Damian qui
overs-
avait du sens.
I can hear the others sorting things out in the kitchen. But
Les
I
autres
am
arrangeaient les choses dans la
frightfully
cuisine.
sorry, Victoria.
It's fine. I think I'll head over to Wintcott now that it's light. I'd feel safer with Mum.
I haven't seen your mum in quite some time. It's dreadful, really, considering she's only a few miles away.
Un truc bizarre avec sa mère
Would
aussi.
you like to be driven down there?
No, it's fine. I'll walk.
Are you sure, darling?
I'm fine. You have enough on your plate as it is. You said the police are coming, didn't you?
Yes? Well, perhaps we can deal with this
Oh,
ourselves.
elle est trop bizarre, Martha.
I hope you sort this out. I mean, I know you will.
Thanks, Victoria. And thank you for coming to comfort me yesterday. I was in quite the sorry state. I didn't mean for you to see me like
No,
that.
it's fine.
I didn't say it earlier, but I noticed you took the bracelet off.
I know. It didn't feel right. I thought maybe he was still
Bah, les
angry
deux,
at
ça
me.
y est, ils sont célibes. Hein.
I just want to be friends.
I think he misses you sometimes.
Well, I have my own life now.
Of course you do. I'm sorry, Victoria. Why don't you finish your breakfast, and I'll go and check my bedroom upstairs to make sure none of the furniture's been damaged.
Donc là, Martha va aller dans sa chambre. Elle reste là. Donc là, dans la cuisine, il y avait les deux gus, là. Non, dans la salle à manger. Toujours est-il. Et les autres, ils étaient dans la cuisine en train d'arranger les choses. Mais alors, est-ce qu'ils y étaient? Il y avait Eddie et tout. Ce n'est point clair.
Do as I say. Stand up and place your hands on your head.
Ah oui, d'accord.
Oh, good morning to you too, Eddie. Is that thing real?
Of course it's real. I'm serious. Stand up.
I'm afraid I'm just in the middle of having my breakfast, Eddie. In fact, my two friends and I were just talking here a moment ago.
It's over, Oswald.
Comment ça, ces deux amis?
I'm not giving you another chance.
I remember when you were younger, you used to call me Uncle. I suppose we're past that now, are we?
This house belongs to my family. You have no right to come here.
Put the gun down, boy. Threatening me isn't going to make this
I
go
told
away.
you to stand up! Don't make me say it again!
Let me finish my breakfast.
Stand up! Put your hands on your head! We're going to go downstairs to the kitchen. Understand?
Ils y étaient. Donc ouais, eux... Intéressant. En sachant que il était dans la salle à manger, lui. Il parlait à ses deux amis. Probablement eux. Le bon matin. Ah bah non. Il était avec Damian. Non, mais il était avec Tony Dower. Tony les embrouille. Non. Attendez, alors attendez, il y a un truc que je comprends pas. Le 13, on sait pas où est passé. On sait toujours pas où est passé Helen Dower hein, dans cette histoire. Apparemment, ils règlent ça dans la cuisine. Donc, eux, ils y sont. Eddie. Dans la cuisine. Putain, je me trompe à chaque fois. que eux. Ah mais du coup, c'est dans l'ordre. Donc Victoria c'est la prochaine. C'est totalement dans l'ordre.
Get into the pantry.
Please, don't kill me.
Be quiet. Get in the pantry.
I found him! He's in here!
No need to worry. Everything's under control.
Where's Oswald? Is he all right?
I'm in here. Can you hear me?
What the hell are you doing, Eddie? Get him out of there!
Hey! That's my gun! How did you get that?
Look, I'm sorry about what's happened. But everything's going to be normal from now on, I promise.
You don't know what you're dealing with. You need to let him out of there. He's the only one who knows what's going on.
Exactly. I promise if these things keep happening, then we can let him out. But I promise you they won't.
You don't understand.
Give me back my gun!
I'm keeping it. I'm sorry, but this is my house and I need to take control. You can have it back when you leave.
I'm not leaving until I find out what's going on here!
Are you mad?
Let's all keep our heads here. This sounds like a sensible idea to me. We keep him in there until...
Who the hell are you?
Look, like it or not, I'm the one with the gun. And I'm going to hold on to the pantry key myself, so don't try anything funny. Annie, where's your sister? I need to talk to her.
Find her yourself.
Great.
Wait, before you go. If anyone finds something new, or needs to get everyone's attention, play the piano in the living room. We'll all meet there. Does that sound all right?
What about me?
All of us except Oswald.
Sure. Nothing will happen anyway.
You're making a mistake, Eddie.
Just leave me alone. Why can't you be more like your sister?
Oh wow.
Is he gone?
What the hell was that about?
Hobbs, I need to tell you something.
What's that?
I remembered. I remember where I met Martha.
Oh? Where?
At her wedding. I was there at her wedding. Ask her who she married.
Huh. Right. I'll go and ask her that.
He's gone, Oswald. Are you all right?
I'm fine, my dear. Now, come close, both of you. We need to talk.
Ok. Alors, il y a plein d'indices là, ici aussi. Il y a plein d'indices. Surtout en fait. Déjà, la chambre de Martha. Et donc du coup, elle, on sait pas où elle a disparu, mais elle a disparu quelque part. Hein. Et la prochaine, c'est Victoria, et Victoria, courage. Pense à toi. Elle y est toute seule. Pas du tout. No. That's weird, bro. Eh ben, on va avoir la confrontation d'abord, je suppose. The heck, bro. Bon, faisons ce qu'on sait déjà. Je suis con? Oui. Peut-être on était sur le 17. Ah, merci à tous. Voilà pourquoi on n'en avait aucun. Tout simplement en fait. Oui, voilà. Tout de suite là on parle. Bon, il y a eu saccage ici. Hein. Il y a eu saccage Paris. Saccage Paris là. Pas sûr en fait.
John, did you find out who shot the gun?
Everyone's fine. It's nothing to worry about. Eddie seems to think it's all under control now, in any case. And if anyone plays the piano, we're all gonna meet in the living room.
Well, that's a relief. It's unfortunate about the damage to the house.
Trop bizarre cette
But I
enquête,
suppose
je
these
comprends
things
rien.
can't be helped.
En fait, à mon avis, on saura tout dès qu'on entre dans la chapelle.
It's a lovely piano you've got downstairs. Is it new?
Yes, It arrived recently. I can't think why
C'est la
we bought
malédiction
one
du
in the
piano, c'est
end,
ça?
but Eddie's quite a fan of the music.
Well, I happen to work at the Pianoforte gallery in
Ouais, il
town.
manquerait plus que ça, tiens.
We don't sell ones like that, though.
It would have been nice to have made more use of it yesterday evening, but we only got it running properly the once, in the end. Oswald and I were admiring it. That was before he revealed his darker side, of course. And to think, I was trying so hard to be polite.
Oh, Eddie's locked him in the pantry, I forgot to say. So, with any luck, he won't be causing any more trouble.
You should have said so earlier, John. You are a funny one. Well, that's a relief to hear. Let's hope we can enjoy the rest of the day in peace.
There was one thing, Martha. I hope you don't mind me asking, but has there ever been a man in your life?
I beg your pardon?
I'm sorry, I'm just a bit confused about your family here.
I've always lived alone. It's not a life for everyone, but it suited me just fine. And before you ask, no, I don't know who Eddie's father is. And I'd rather you didn't bring your judgments into this house.
I don't mean to offend. I just... Well, Oswald told me... He said he remembered your wedding.
I wouldn't believe a word that man says, John.
No, of course not. I just wanted to make sure.
Well, I did have a wedding of sorts. I had a beautiful dress for it. But I didn't get married. I've never been married. It felt like more of a celebration for me. Let's see. I'm sure I have some old photographs around here.
And one more thing. When I arrived here, someone almost dropped something on my head. Is there a room that overlooks the entrance to the house?
Have a look in the attic, John. Although I'm sure it was our friend in the pantry. Ah, here's the old album.
I think I'll go there now, then, if that's all right.
Ah ouais? Mais pourquoi tu veux pas voir les photos? Donc là, lui, il va au grenier, mais paraît étonnant. Alors, avant de voir la rencontre des deux loustiques amoureux, là, de voir l'annonce qu'il va nous faire. On approche doucement de la fin. Hein. Là, il va y en avoir du mort. Hein.
We can hear you, Oswald. Tell us what happened.
Oh, it was awful. Do you know, I don't think I've ever been inside this pantry before.
We heard a gunshot.
It wasn't aimed at me. I'm perfectly happy here. In any case, the owners of this house will get what's coming to them.
What do you mean? Can you tell us what's going on?
I lived in this house for a long time, my dear. I never saw anything like this.
We think that maybe what's happening can't be explained by physical means.
Ouais, d'accord.
Would you agree?
I think that much is clear. The next step, of course, is to figure out what's caused all this. And I have my suspicions.
You think this is about the current owners? That doesn't make sense. They've lived here since I was young, and nothing like this has ever happened.
Maybe it's something to do with the pocket watch. It could have
No,
belonged...
It looks too new.
Well, I don't know, do I? It's got to have some reason to be here. Who put it in a box and wrote
Rupert,
Rupert on it?
c'était ça qui était écrit.
Someone must know something.
I'm not aware of any history of a pocket watch. That also doesn't sound like normal supernatural activity.
Do you know anything about supernatural activity?
I've never encountered it so directly before, I suppose.
Look, clearly someone's done something that set all this off. And there aren't that many people it could be.
Isn't it more likely that you caused all this when you dropped that doll? Damn it! I told you to stop and you didn't, you idiot! Look where that's got us.
Anne, I swear...
There's only one place I can think of that might hold the answers.
Where?
The chapel.
Ouais, c'était sûr.
But I'm afraid the only key is in here with me.
The old chapel? Can't we just break in?
You could try. So long as you don't fear the consequences.
Quiet. I hear voices.
It's just whoever's in the room above, and don't scare me like that.
It sounds like they're arguing. I should check she's all right.
Wait, what should we do about Oswald?
Well, Eddie has the key. Listen, go upstairs and look under my pillow. There's something there we can use to convince him.
Anne...
Just go and wait up in the attic. I'll come and meet you there afterwards. I won't be long.
Les dingueries là qui commencent là. Bon, je me doutais bien qu'il allait avoir une embrouille de Zanzibar entre les deux là. On va ça la manger. Elle, je sais absolument pas où elle a disparu. Hein. Oswald, il a la clé de tout.
Vic, I've been looking for you.
Eddie, I'm leaving. I'm sorry, I can't take this house anymore.
No, please, stay. I've sorted everything out. We can go back to normal now.
That wasn't you we heard with the gun, was it? What's going on?
It's nothing, I promise. I've taken care of it. It's just... I've been thinking
Your
and...
mum's not going to be happy about the ceiling, you know.
Oh, I don't care. It doesn't matter.
Oh, il va annoncer
Look,
ses
Vic,
sentiments.
I need to tell you something.
This isn't a great time, Eddie. I'll be down at Wintercourt with Mum if you need me. So maybe come and visit once you're...
Don't go, Vic. I want you here with me. I know we haven't seen each other in a long time.
Mais ouais, mais
I
ouais,
miss
mais
you.
ouais.
And I know you didn't
Un
come here
bébé
just to see the
dans le
house.
polichinelle. Hein.
This really isn't the best time. A dead body appeared in my bed overnight, Eddie. I need some time to... I don't want to be
Vic,
here.
just wait 1 second. Before you go, I need to tell you something. I got this ring a while ago, and now...
Eddie!
I love you, Vic. I've loved you all my life. And I know that we're not so close anymore, but it's taken me until today to realize that I have the opportunity to fix that. And I can't... I don't want to spend any more time without you. Victoria, will
Oh
you
oui, non, mais
marry
d'accord,
me?
direct.
We've been through this,
I
Eddie.
know
C'est vrai
this
que
is
vous
the
êtes
best
embrouillés.
time. There's never a perfect time, and
Eddie,
I need you.
I can't marry you.
I can't.
There's someone else.
Right, of course. Why didn't you tell me?
Eddie, come on. You've met him.
Et un bribe de souvenir.
What's going on?
I'm sorry, I didn't know. Just think about it, won't you? I still love you.
Oh, don't say that. I'm... Oh, oh God. Oh, he's...
Are you all right?
That was him. Oh, God.
Wait, Vic! Tell me what's going on!
Elle se souvient. Elle a eu un souvenir. Le bébé qui a fait que ça lui a reconnecté les oreilles. Et c'est pour ça que là, en 18, elle se balade dans la pampa, là, comme une... Avec Eddie, à mon avis. Il la poursuit. On va à l'entrée. C'est plutôt à l'entrée. Ok, j'y ai cru. Mais il s'est passé une dingouze là. Sachant que là, en 17, voilà, il n'y a que les 4 décédés. On a vu. Là, en 18, les 2 sont au grenier. Et effectivement, maintenant que j'y pense, la poupée est peut-être en charge de tout en fait. C'est pour ça qu'ils nous ont parlé d'une poupée au début. J'avais même pas pensé.
Hey! Don't pull that.
Why not? Does it do something?
Well, anything you do might make things worse. What are you doing here anyway?
I just wanted to have a look.
You shouldn't be here. You don't know what you're getting into.
It seems safe to me. Is there something you don't want me to see?
I suppose you can stay if you want. I won't be long. Is this what she meant? I guess it'll do.
What is this room? It's a creepy sort of place.
It's a dead girl's bedroom. I thought you might have figured that much out.
Yes, I saw the doll's house.
Well, don't touch it! Are you mad?
What? You're afraid of ghosts, is that it?
Moi, je serais pas rassuré si un
You
fantôme.
can't be serious.
What the hell is that sound? I'm serious.
C'est Vic.
What the hell? It's not even raining.
What do you mean? Have you figured something out?
I'll talk to you later.
Donc chaque coup de tonnerre, c'était quelque chose. En
Oh,
fait.
this is stupid. I need to go. Annie will be up here in a moment, so you can ask her. And tell her I'm sorting things out.
En fait, Tony Dower, finalement, c'est un peu le GOAT hein, pour le moment. Hein. C'est le seul qui réalise. 100% Vic qui est décédé quelque part. Mais alors où? Je crois qu'elle y est toute seule, Anne, dans la salle à manger. Avec Eddie. Et Vic. Alors, si c'est pas là, ça sera à l'entrée. Si c'est pas là, c'est au chemin du Quail. On n'a pas encore utilisé beaucoup. Peut-être les deux seulement. Attendez, Martha, elle disait quoi? Là, j'ai qu'un seul indice sur ce qui va se passer en 18. La maison a été endommagée. C'est un très beau bien. Il arrive récemment. Une fois, Oswald et moi l'admirions. C'était avant qu'il ne révèle son côté sombre. Ok. Bon, pardon, je suis désolé, je suis juste un peu confus. J'ai toujours vécu seul, ce n'est pas une vie pour tout le monde. Elle a dit, eh bien Oswald m'a dit, oh, je crois pas un mot, j'ai eu un mariage, c'était une sorte de fête, ce genre de photo. Quelqu'un a failli me laisser tomber. Y a-t-il une pièce qui donne sur l'entrée de la maison? Je pense que je vais y aller maintenant si ça vous va. Alors ça me donne un indice, mais je l'ai fait Hobbs dans le grenier. Et là j'ai 3 trucs que j'ai pas vérifié ici aussi, il faudrait que je le fasse peut-être au lieu de rush. Tu déverrouilles la porte, je sais, je n'y crois pas ma chérie, est-ce que tu vas bien? Je vais bien, je suis juste... Comment est-ce possible tu verrouilles la porte? Moi je vous le jure, je suis juste... Je viens juste de me réveiller, il était là. Genre j'ai essayé. Pas de ta faute. Ah! Là en 14, Tony était dans le grenier avec Anne. Et on voit. Bon là c'est le petit matin du coup.
Anne? Are you awake? Anne?
What?
Can I come in?
What is it? Why did you wake me up?
Can we please talk?
What?
My gun. It's disappeared.
You have a gun?
I always carry one around with me. It's not like I planned on using it. But it's gone.
You should have locked your door.
I did. I swear I did. But I woke up this morning and the door was unlocked.
You're sure you had it with you when you went to bed?
I was careful, Anne. I don't just leave it lying around. I'm serious, I don't feel safe anymore, and you're the only one I actually know here.
Why did you even come here?
I don't know. I just... I mean, do you think this has something to do with all the bodies that keep appearing?
Maybe. Did you know that after they found the first body yesterday, when they went back to find it later, it had vanished?
You're joking.
And Oswald said that all the bodies are people that used to live here.
Bah oui, c'est ça qui est bizarre.
Wait, how many of us are there?
7. Right.
I don't think there's enough people here to pull off something like this. I think... I don't know.
7, c'est
It
Maseko.
doesn't make sense.
I mean,
Victoria, pardon.
it could be
Donc
Ghost.
oui,
Couldn't it?
Micheline, elle est morte hier. Je ne sais pas
Tell me
comment.
I'm losing it.
Whatever it is, it must have something to do with this house.
Ah, c'est terrible.
You remember what you said about the girl who used to live here?
That's just a story I'd heard somewhere.
C'est évident que c'était un fusil de Chekhov, la poupée.
It's all we've got to go on. We have to find out what really happened.
Ça reste méga bizarre dans tous les cas.
I don't know. I'd rather not get involved.
It's too late for that, Tony. We're seeing this through. Is that Vic? Oh my god!
Et du coup, à ce moment-là, Vic était toute seule dans sa chambre. Parce qu'il faut considérer qu'en fait, Beaumont est mort. Ah, du coup, oui, Rupert... Alors, Eleanor, je l'ai mis là, mais c'est pas clair. Ça fait déjà 1h37 de VOD, je suis désolé, YouTube. Je vous jure qu'on va le finir ce soir, ce jeu. Ah ouais, elle était toute seule dans sa chambre et c'est là qu'elle réalise le cadavre. Ah ouais?
What? Oh, good lord. Help! Help!
Oh, c'est trop bizarre. On entend le piano. On entend le piano. Martha, elle est dans sa chambre. C'est peut-être intéressant justement de regarder ce qui se passe à la scène 14. Peut-être qu'elle n'est pas dans sa chambre du tout. Lui, il est dans son bureau, lui. Il a mal dormi, il fait une grasse mat, lui. Pas du tout là. Il était dans la salle à manger en train de parler avec ses 2 amis. Ouais, c'est bien ce que je me disais.
Good morning, John. Did you sleep well?
Yes. Thanks again, Martha. It's all very much appreciated.
Here, John,
Martha,
have
elle est
some
bizarre, hein.
toast.
Ah, thank you.
I'm sorry you've been caught up in all this. It's such a dreadful business. And I'm sure whoever's doing all this is just trying to scare us out of the house.
C'est à chaque fois le
Do you
même
know
argument.
who's behind it?
He practically told me himself. Have you met Oswald? I found him in my room yesterday when I went to look for him after dinner. He told me he didn't think I deserved to own the house, and he thought it should be his.
Oh, I
C'est
see.
son avis, ouais.
Really?
Et je pense que c'est une
You'd have
sombre histoire
thought he'd be more
d'héritage.
subtle about his intentions.
Yes. So have you done anything about it?
Not yet. Let's keep this between ourselves for the moment. I'm sure things will sort themselves out soon.
Bah, il le voilà.
Ah, good morning.
Oswald Brian
Morning.
Archer Galley.
Oswald, how did you sleep?
I don't think you told me your name.
John Hobbs.
Tell me, Mr. Hobbs, how are you finding the house?
You don't have to talk to him, John.
Well, it seems very nice.
Wonderful. And what do you think of our host?
Excuse me, If you're going to eat our food, I'd appreciate
I'm
it if
trying
you-
to have a dis-
Il y a un truc qui vient de me sauter aux yeux, tout simplement. Mais oui, Martha est mariée. Mais son mari, c'est Rupert. C'est tout, en fait. Fin de l'histoire. Fin de l'histoire. Vu que tous les cadavres qu'on retrouve, tous les morts, on les oublie, le jeu commence dès qu'il est mort, en fait. Oswald, il arrive à la scène 2. La scène 1, le meurtre arrive de Rupert. Alors, ce qui est étonnant, il faudrait que je vérifie un truc. C'est que le meurtre de Rupert est un vrai meurtre, à mon avis. Et tout le reste, c'est une malédiction. Parce que la poupée ne fait que exploser à la deuxième scène du jeu.
discussion here with one of your guests. Isn't there somewhere else you'll need it?
How dare you?
Who's doing that to the
I
piano?
think I made my opinions quite clear in our discussion yesterday evening. Of course, I apologize if I made a mess of your bedroom,
Made a
but...
mess? I know what you're doing here. You won't get away with this much longer.
Who is that?
It sounds like Victoria. Come on, John.
Oh, finally, I can eat in peace.
Donc du coup, dans le piano... Qui joue du piano? Qui joue du piano debout? C'est Michel. Mais pourquoi? Alors si ça se trouve, c'est pas lui d'ailleurs. J'ai eu peur. Hein. Bon, c'est intéressant cette scène. Parce que là, lui, il pète un câble depuis tout à l'heure. Ouais, il est en stress.
I'm the one with the gun.
Alors, il est pas mort au moment du piano, il est mort au moment du coup de tonnerre. Hein. J'insiste sur ça. Et là, on a re-eu un coup de tonnerre, c'est la preuve même.
Why is it so quiet? Now's my chance.
C'est très bizarre. Mais on sait ce que faisait tout le monde. Il y a toujours cette scène. Mais il n'y a que lui, on sait pas où il était d'ailleurs. Au 9 là. C'est dans sa chambre. Allez, je reviens en arrière. T'es dans sa chambre le boug? Il était en chill là? Pas du tout. Je sais pas ce qu'il faisait lui. Ah, ben, elle aussi d'ailleurs. Elle était encore en vie à ce moment-là. C'est elle qui est morte. Quelques kilomètres, tu veux que je te conduise? Déjà, t'as arrangé les choses dans la cuisine, donc ça, on l'a vu. T'es sûr qu'il n'y a pas d'autre moyen d'entrer dans cette chambre? Non, c'est pas ça. En fait, là, il y a un indice sur ce qu'elle dit. C'est pas clair. Et là aussi. Voilà la suite, le 19. Bon, le 19, on va apprendre une dinguerie. Mais dans le grenier, il y a Anne et Hobbs. Ça, c'est sûr et certain. Et Tony, les bons tuyaux, il est parti quelque part.
Are you looking for something?
Ah, Tony asked me to tell you he just left. I don't know where he was off to, but he seemed to be in quite a hurry.
Oh, what an idiot. He took the bracelet, did he?
I'm not sure. I didn't see.
Damn it! He doesn't know what he's doing. Never mind.
Mais on n'a plus de nouvelles de la montre à gousset d'ailleurs.
I don't think we've properly met. I'm John.
Do you know what my name is?
Well, I think I caught it earlier, actually. You're Annie, aren't you?
How many of us are there in this house?
There are 6 of us. And
Putain, donc oui.
some bodies. Did you find anyone else?
I found another body lying next to the one we found this morning. So, perhaps they're connected.
Bloody devil. If it's still going, we should rescue that poor man from the pantry. Do you know what's going on?
Tellement se met à
Found a
sonner.
list. I could have sworn it had all the people in
Oh putain.
the house on there. But I just checked it again and there's a name I don't recognize.
Rupert Galley?
No. Do you know anyone called Vic?
Never heard of him.
I don't know what to make of it. I'm guessing it must have been the name of one of the bodies.
Or
S'assista.
the name of whoever's behind this.
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Ah ouais, encore?
Someone ought to let Oswald out of the pantry. Do you know where the key is?
No. We can't do anything until we find it. Oh, damn it! Is anyone going to answer that phone?
Shouldn't Martha do that?
Something must have happened. I'll go and check she's all right. You go to the dining room and answer the phone.
What if it's...
Just answer it.
Bon bah on sait où elle était. Ah, horrible. Un chambre de Vic. Alors, est-ce qu'elle y était avec Vic? Ouais. Mais le cadavre n'a pas disparu du coup, l'autre cadavre.
Oh, sweetheart.
Putain, ouais.
Sweetheart, I'm
Oui,
sorry.
oui, oui. Elle l'a capté, c'est bon.
Vic,
Elle se rappelle.
Please. How? Oh, we kept the door locked. We were going to leave this morning.
What do you mean? Did you know him?
Annie, tell me you remember him. Tell me we're not all going insane.
Vic, I don't know what you mean.
Oh, God, Annie, please. He drove us here.
We didn't have a driver, Vic. It was just us two in the car.
After dinner yesterday, you came into this room.
C'est vrai.
Who were you talking to,
I wasn't
Annie?
talking to anyone, Vic. I swear, I just came in here to have a look. Are you trying to blame me for
Annie,
this?
please say you remember. Please.
You're scaring me, Vic.
Annie.
Have you
Il va y
been
avoir un
seeing
coup de tonne.
ghosts? Is that what this is? We think these are people that used
Quelqu'un
to
écrit
live
sur du
here.
papier.
If you can see them, then maybe you can talk to them. Is that something you can do? Vic, what are you writing?
Take this. I don't know what's going on, but we can't let it
Oh, elle était
happen
maligne, Vic.
again. I'm not losing you too.
What is it?
Just keep looking at it. Make sure you don't forget anyone. If you do, come and let me know. I need to go and check the others.
These
Elle a
are
le
just
coup de tonnerre
our
arrivé.
names. Is there anyone else in the house that you've seen? Because maybe
There's no one else, Annie. It's just us.
Well, then who was...
It's Damien. Remember? We...
Oh my god. Another one in the same place. Can't be just a coincidence.
Et elle a oublié. Et du coup, ça y est, on sait enfin son visage à elle. Découverte en train de marcher dans le village voisin. Profonde coupure, tenez une bouteille d'absinthe, c'est pas elle. Morte par balle, alors ça... Découverte à côté d'une liste manuscrite de prénoms. C'est elle, Annie. Alors elle... Une fille comme seul enfant. C'est incroyable. Incroyable. Et donc ouais. À ce moment-là, est-ce que lui il revient pas justement dans la cuisine parler à Oswald? Sachant que le 19, c'est lui qui crève. Hein. Je suis très curieux de voir comment Martha meurt aussi. Hein. Non. Alors je sais plus où il va lui. Attends, il avait dit quoi en 17? C'était en 18. Voilà pourquoi. C'est que je suis sérieux, il ne pleut même pas. C'est stupide, je vais y aller. Annie sera là dans un instant, vous pouvez lui demander, dites-lui que je m'occupe de tout. Et lui, il a l'air conscient aussi. En fait, il va dans la chambre de Victoria, c'est ça? 119? 118. Non, 119. Non. Mais là, j'ai pas l'impression. En fait, là, il n'y a pas d'indice. Là. C'est ici qu'il y a un indice. Je vais vérifier qu'elle va bien. Mais là, il y a des trucs aussi. Attends. C'est ça le problème, en fait. Je te laisse des indices, donc potentiellement des scènes que je vais oublier. Vous remarquerez d'ailleurs que je ne prends plus aucune note dans ce jeu. J'y vais au talent. Des bisous YouTube. Je sais plus combienième VOD. Il est 3h49 du matin. Je vais le finir ce jeu. Des bisous.